Is this thing on? Is it on? It's on now, right? It's on.
What do I say? It's been so long.
Want me to start? What's up, everybody? Today we're going to start the project we've been avoiding, like the coronavirus. We're going to strip the Corvette. Let's go. Let's get some stripping music on.
Let's get started. Gosh, take. I'm a professional YouTuber, you know that, right?
Right, no, you're not. You have to be paid to be a professional YouTuber.
I paid.
You paid.
I did pay. What I was going to say in this extremely monotone voice is that we're going to strip the paint off the Corvette's front and we're going to sand the rear. Because the front has a bunch of stuff that looks like spider webs through the paint, and that's not good for laying new paint on it. So we're going to take all that off, and we're just going to sand it back. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to take these razor blades, strip the paint off the Corvette with the razor blades. It turns out you can actually do that. Didn't know that until my father showed me, which apparently he looked it up on YouTube. On the YouTubes.
On the line.
On the line. So we're going to do that. We're going to get all the paint off. Let's get started. Stripping the paint off the front and doing some little bit of body work. We sanded the back of it, and soon we will be painting the car. So it's going back to the original color, which is the same color as it is now, but we're doing a better paint job. So it's a two-stage like we did on the Honda Odyssey, which you can check out that video. I'm not going to point because I don't know where it's going to be, but future me is going to put it somewhere on the screen. Also, we're going to throw in a little bit of exhaust footage for those of you who've been wanting to hear it, but I haven't been putting the exhaust footage in the videos for some weird reason.
Patriot side.
Yeah, with Patriot side pipes, so you can hear a little bit of that. We finally got that welded together. Went to a muffler shop and had them do that for a small fee, and it sounds 100% better than it did in that first video with the Patriot side pipes. So I'll play that as soon as I get done talking. But a lot more to come. As always,
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Right. And as always, we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!